Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and keep watching more details. RHOBH, Erika Jayne in legal hot water amid ex's sentencing. Is RHOBH star Erika Jayne in legal hot water amid her ex, Tom Girardi, being sentenced to prison? He was convicted of wire fraud and landed 7 years behind bars at 86. So, what does all of this mean for his estranged wife? Keep reading for more details. When Erika Jayne joined RHOBH in Season 6, viewers did not know what to make of her. She was a bombshell performer, a mother, and her husband was a very prominent attorney, 30 years her senior. Although their marriage seemed odd and questionable, they seemed to get along quite well. He was extremely supportive of her career, and she knew how to clean herself up to be the lawyer's wife. Unfortunately, Erika saw the shortcomings, and after 20 years, she filed for divorce. Soon after, Tom's life became messier when he was accused of stealing millions from victims. Erika maintained she knew nothing about this despite her feet being held to the fire by her co-stars. She was also accused of lacking empathy, and there were many questions about how her life would be affected legally. Erika did not legalize her divorce, as she would lose around $1 million. Now, with Tom headed to jail in July, what does this mean for the performer? Attorney Ronald Richards gave somewhat of a grim update. Erika Jayne's spouse that she abandoned is on his way to a de facto, almost life sentence. Meanwhile, the judge in the $25 million fraudulent conveyance action we filed wants additional briefing on how to try this case. Erika's defense is the money went to her personal service company EJ Global. This defense is definitely a loser, so her best shot is to keep delaying. Money is tight for her now, and she hates paying her own legal bills. Walls keep closing. This does not sound very positive or promising for the RHOBH star. Yet, how hard up is Erika Jayne when she has been performing everywhere and was back on Broadway? Now, Attorney Richards seemed to write this quite quickly to get a message out there about Erika Jayne. He attempted to defame the RHOBH star and her defense, but is that professional of him? It does not matter much, as Erika's legal future is still up in the air. As of now, the impression is that she is broke, so her attorneys keep putting everything on hold. Fans who saw this statement immediately weighed in on Erika and her involvement. She was cleared of all wrongdoing. I have seen and read posts from clients/coworkers claiming they knew Erika and Tom and saying they felt like she was in on the scam. How is she escaping justice? Is there a chance she could still go to jail through the feds or IRS or something? It is sickening watching her gloat and lie. Hopefully getting footage from Bravo should help the case. A few viewers were on Erika's side while others believed that she was complicit and knew more than she said. At the end of the day, it will be up to a jury to decide her fate, if it makes it that far, and there are no further delays. Do you think Erika Jayne should receive jail time, or should it all be put in the past? Let us know your thoughts and stream RHOBH on Peacock. Erika Jayne, the bold, bedazzled star of the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, RHOBH, is once again facing a familiar kind of spotlight. One that burns hotter than any stage light. As her estranged husband, disgraced attorney Tom Girardi, faces the final chapters of his long legal reckoning, Erika finds herself tangled in the shadows of his downfall. Glamour and legal drama have collided once more, leaving fans and federal investigators wondering, just how deep does Erika's knowledge and involvement go? Once known more for her glam squads and glittering performances as a pop diva than courtrooms and subpoenas, Erika Jayne has become an unexpected face of legal infamy. For years, she was the embodiment of aspirational luxury on Bravo's RHOBH with her lavish lifestyle, designer ensembles, private jets, and a team of stylists costing more monthly than most make annually. But behind the verses and the valets, a darker story simmered, and the pot has now boiled over. Tom Girardi, once one of the most respected trial lawyers in the country, made headlines for winning multi-million-dollar settlements for victims of corporate wrongdoing. But as court documents began to pile up, a far more disturbing narrative emerged. Girardi had been allegedly stealing money from the very victims he vowed to help, including widows, orphans, and burn victims from the 2018 Lion Air crash in Indonesia. In 2023, Girardi was indicted on multiple counts of wire fraud, accused of embezzling millions of dollars from clients. Now, as his sentencing looms, perhaps signaling the end of one of California's biggest legal scandals, attention has shifted, with renewed intensity, to Erika. Despite her claims of innocence and strategic distancing, federal investigators are circling ever closer. At the heart of the controversy is a murky financial entanglement between Erika's personal fortune and the now bankrupt Girardi Keese law firm. Prosecutors allege that Girardi used stolen client funds to bankroll Erika's lavish lifestyle, including $750,000 on designer clothes, a $40,000 a month glam squad, and funding for her short-lived pop music career. Her alter ego, Erika Jayne, once celebrated for her song XXPDN$IV, has become an ironic symbol of unchecked wealth, possibly built on the backs of vulnerable victims. Though Erika has not been criminally charged, she has been embroiled in numerous civil suits. Bankruptcy trustees allege that she received tens of millions of dollars from Girardi's firm, with one case branding her the frontwoman of a scheme designed to flaunt ill-gotten wealth and distract from financial fraud. Erika has consistently denied wrongdoing, insisting that she had no knowledge of her husband's alleged misdeeds and was just as blindsided as the rest of the world. But skeptics abound. Critics argue that someone as intelligent and calculating as Erika couldn't have possibly been so oblivious. Not knowing may be legally defensible, but morally, and in the court of public opinion, it's not cutting it. Social media has erupted with commentary, some defending her as a scapegoat, others accusing her of complicity. Bravo fans have watched the saga unfold in real time. On RHOBH, Erika has swung between tearful denials and sharp-tongued comebacks, her castmates oscillating between support and suspicion. In one infamous scene, she clashed with Sutton Strack, who dared question the narrative Erika was selling. The series, once known for dinner party drama and diamond-studded catfights, now feels more like a legal thriller. Yet even amid court hearings and frozen assets, Erika has doubled down on her brand. She launched a Las Vegas residency, bet it all on blonde, and has leaned into her image as the embattled diva, refusing to be brought down. For some, it's a powerful symbol of resilience. For others, it's tone-deaf performance art at best, a distraction at worst. As Girardi's sentencing date approaches, potentially putting a legal period on a scandal that rocked both the legal and reality TV worlds, questions swirl. Could Erika face criminal charges? Will civil courts compel her to return more money? Could the Girardi estate claw back millions more from her fashion and entertainment empire? And how will Bravo respond if legal action intensifies? Legal experts say the path ahead for Erika is treacherous. Even if she avoids prison, she faces potential financial ruin, public condemnation, and the irreversible tarnishing of a once sparkling image. But Erika has never been one to retreat quietly. In fact, she seems to thrive in the eye of the storm. "I'm not a victim," she once declared on RHOBH. "I'm a survivor." Whether that narrative holds true in the eyes of the law remains to be seen. What is clear is that the Erika Jayne saga isn't just a story of fame and fortune. It's a cautionary tale about complicity, image management, and the real cost of a luxury lifestyle built on questionable foundations. In the court of public opinion.